Kylie Jenner shared a tour of her family's sprawling Palm Springs home, where she's staying during Coachella 2026. Try keeping up with the Kardashian-Jenner's Palm Springs pad. Kylie Jenner gave fans a glimpse inside her family's sprawling home in Palm Springs, California, where she and a few of her BFFs are getting some R&R between Coachella 2026 festivities. In an April 10th TikTok video, the Kylie Cosmetics founder, donning a cropped long-sleeve top and blue jeans, can be seen driving a luxury golf cart as she mouths Sabrina Carpenter's house tour lyrics. The camera then pans to the property's sprawling indoor-outdoor space, which features lavish couches, an infinity pool, and a gorgeous view of the mountains. But the tour didn't stop there. After all, Kylie showed off the mansion's elevator, which brought fans to the first, second, third floor of the compound. After showing off the home's massive indoor basketball court, she gave fans a look at the theater, where her pal Justin Bieber's Baby music video was playing. To finish off the tour, the Kardashian star threw her head back over the railing of one of the home's balconies as she gave fans a better look at the impressive views. Noting her excitement for Sabrina's Coachella performance, Kylie, 28, captioned the video, "Sabrina Night." But this wouldn't be the first time that Kylie has shared a look inside the home, which has also been featured in her family's Hulu show. Hours earlier, she shared her longtime friend Stassie Karanicola's reaction to her 8-year-old daughter Stormi Webster's bedroom, which was filled with mounds of plush toys. As Kylie wrote over a picture of the toy-filled room alongside a laughing emoji on her Instagram stories April 10th, "I told Stas she could sleep in Stormi's room." But Stassie found the array of toys more creepy than cute. "There's so many eyes gonna be watching me in my sleep," Stassie said in a separate upload on Kylie's Instagram stories. "There's no way. Can we put them somewhere? No, no, no." As Kylie, who shares Stormi and 4-year-old Air Webster with ex-Travis Scott, panned around a room, stuffed bunnies, Labobus, Hello Kitty plushies, and more could be seen on Stormi's bed and lining the walls of the space. Unable to endure the sleeping arrangement for even one night, Stassie made a backup plan. "I'm gonna sleep with you tonight, and tomorrow I'm gonna put them somewhere," she said as she and Kylie couldn't help but laugh. "I'm not kidding. There's like 7 million eyes in this room." In addition to sharing memories inside her home, Kylie has also been documenting her excitement for Coachella and its headliners Sabrina, Justin, and Karol G. In fact, the mom of 2 is so excited for Justin's performance that she shared a snap of herself on Instagram April 10th rocking an oversized tank top bearing the Yukon hitmaker's face as she arrived in the desert. She completed the look with a floral manicure nodding to the singer's 2025 single Daisies, writing on Instagram stories, "It's giving Bieberchella." For more celeb sightings from Coachella 2026. And just like that, Kylie Jenner proves once again that when it comes to luxury, vibes, and viral moments, she's always 10 steps ahead. From cruising around in a golf cart to casually flexing a mansion that feels more like a private resort, Kylie didn't just give a house tour, she gave a full-on lifestyle fantasy. Meanwhile, Stormi's plushy-filled room? Equal parts adorable and slightly terrifying. At least if you ask Stassie, who clearly wasn't ready to be watched by 7 million eyes while trying to sleep. Between the laughs, the glam, and the jaw-dropping views, it's clear Kylie is living her best Coachella life, balancing mom duties, friendship goals, and festival fever all in one iconic setting. And with major performances, stylish fits, and behind-the-scenes moments still rolling in, you just know this desert getaway is far from over. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching.